Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Olavita Botox Serum. Olavita Botox Serum is a skin product made for people who want smoother, younger looking skin without injections. It is designed to work like a gentle alternative to Botox by helping relax fine lines and reduce wrinkles. The serum has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any thickness. Many users like that it feels soft and hydrating, giving the face a refreshed look. It often said to improve skin elasticity, making it firmer over time. The formula claims to boost collagen, which is important for keeping skin plump. People who use it regularly notice their skin look brighter and more even-toned. It is also promoted as suitable for daily use both morning and night. The serum is packaged in a way that feels modern and easy to apply. Some customers mention seeing visible results after a few weeks of use. However, like with any skincare product, results can vary depending on the skin type. Those with very deep wrinkles may find it helps soften them, but not fully remove them. The product seems popular among people who prefer natural alternatives over cosmetic procedures. It is often recommended as part of an anti-aging routine. Overall, Olavita Botox Serum is praised as a convenient and non-invasive option for smoother and healthier looking skin. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.